There's no dick. Jealous, city is my fantasy. There's no dick. It's just the vibe and that guy. There's no time. There's no time. There's no time. There's no Nah, she gotta go. She came with her. Nah, she gotta go. He came with her. Nah, she gotta go. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dominique, aka Melanique, aka Melanin Doll, and today I am solo, but that's cool because I had some business to handle today, and my babies are at work, so that's perfectly fine. But they been gave me, like they bought me this stand that I need to put together, and I am not too good with that. Luckily, the directions are in the box. And I think this is a big one that sits above the ground. That's how it look on the picture, if y'all can see it. Like it sits high up off the ground, and it's for a closet. Like it's supposed to go inside the closet, but I'm not going to put it in my closet because my closet already got stuff in there. So I'm going to use it for other things. I ended up turning this side of my room. Well, that side that I'm pointing to, you can't see it, but it's over that way. That side of my room into like my little content space, and I started my little accent wall, which y'all will eventually see in the background, probably for my outro video. I'll probably show that side. Don't know, might, maybe not. Y'all might just have to wait until we do another video, and then you can see my accent wall. But for now, I'm about to get started on this portable closet. I really hope I put this together properly. Everything is inside. I already checked the box. Everything is good. So, time to get started. And I don't usually put stuff together without baby being here with me, because that's my little handy stud. But she's not here, so gotta do it on my own. So, without further ado, we about to get into building. Nique the builder. Yes, suck ball the builder. No ball. Big Nique the builder. So yeah, let's get into it. Hey y'all, I made a quick little costume change because my clothes wasn't clothing. They wasn't clothing, so I had to make a quick little costume change. But that's neither here nor there. We really ready to get into Nique the builder. Yeah, so y'all sit back, watch, enjoy, laugh, kiki, hee hee, ha ha, kaka, whatever y'all gonna do. Cause Nique the builder about to get into it. My bad, I had to pause it. No copyrights. Anyway, yeah, we ready to get into it. So let's get it popping.
Take a break from the house and go have some lunch at Baja Cantina. The weather is great. It's just one-on-one.
Yeah, I had to make a quick costume change. This is the base. This is how it's gonna look. So put the base right here. Down like that. Jeez.
She's one of the weirdest people I've ever met.
You know what it is? I feel like maybe for you and I, you were an only child and I was a baby of the family. So I got all the attention as good as you. So that's maybe why we don't look for attention in ways that other people in the house do.
Yeah. I had a good childhood. I didn't go through any abusive relationships. Like, I was spoiled. I got everything I wanted.
I could turn these into two. Looking at the instructions, I can either turn this into a big one or a small one, and it still have more pieces to do another one. So what I actually might do for this first one is make it a small, slim one and put it in my hallway right here by my other door. I got two doors. Put it in my hallway by my second door and give it an ugly brown plastic stand that's right there. And that'll hold my toiletries and my extra stuff. And then I'll make another one and put that one in here, and that'll replace this white stand that I have right here that I'm really not feeling too well. Or I might keep the white stand and just put it right on that side underneath my accent wall. So yeah, but let's get back to it because I figured it out. Because you know, it can either be big like this, one whole one, or it can be one like this. So I probably make this one and make one to put in the closet, and then make another one and put it right here. So let's get into it. Okay? Hot as hell. I hate the fact that my walls look empty, but don't pay that on mine. So I ended up putting the white stand in the corner. Like I said I was. I shouldn't even show y'all my wall, but I ended up putting the white stand in my corner. And I put the second stand that I made right here. Don't mind that. Put it right here. It's like 4 cubes. And then I put the other one in the living room in the corner that has like some little stuff in there. I'll show them all that later. But right now I'm in the process of transferring the stuff from out of there into here and moving some stuff around. So y'all see that the finishing touches after I'm done, and I'm gonna give y'all a slow pan on my little content side. Gotta start somewhere, you feel what I'm saying? Everything ain't gonna be peaches and cream when you first start out, but it's my little content journey, so come along with the kid. Okay, y'all, and I am officially done. That's my little content wall over there. Right here, my little signs and stuff. I'm gonna do a slow pan, and I ended up putting that right there. And my little 4 little cubicles right there, you know, my little stuff. It's nothing inside of them right now. Yeah, I didn't end up putting anything inside of there yet because I still have to wash clothes. Y'all saw that big basket of baby clothes, so I still have clothes to wash. But the one in my living room looks the same. Yeah, looks the same. You can see it. And I am going to show y'all what I put inside. So that's the top. See the little knickknacks up there. This is what it looks like far back. I mixed up the doors on this side. I didn't even realize I did that. Like you see, they face in different ways. But I truly don't care because I'm not taking this apart to fix it because y'all saw me struggling. But this one, I took a shelf out so that my hookah could stand up in there because as you see, it's really long and tall. And if the shelf would have been right there in the middle, I wouldn't be able to put that big one right there. I just had to put my little one in there. And I didn't want to do that. So I put my big one out here. So when I'm out here, I can use that one. Since my couch sits up off the floor, that'll be fine because it'll reach up. And the hose that goes on that side is long. Plus, you see it got the 2 right there. One on that side, one on that side. So yeah. And I just put my rolling tray and my ashtray and my little thing that holds my bud inside. That's that side. Now the Mitchell McDory side. At the top, got all my hookah stuff in there. Got the gloves, the 2 hoses, a whole pile of lighters, my coal, my flavors. Not telling y'all what that is. If you're from the hood, you know what that is. Next, these are the aluminum foil that go on top, and that's the other piece to the other side of my hookah. Whole tub full of mouthpieces because we ain't doing the extra germs around here. Please pardon my ghetto background. That toothbrush y'all see on the side, I use that to clean my hookah inside and out because it gets all through and through. And I actually changed that. Like I changed the regular toothbrush I would use for my teeth. I changed that one out. That's a brand new one. And yeah. And then down here, the second shelf of the Mitch Met side, my little blanket that I like to lay with when I'm out here on my couch. My sectional actually opens up if I wanted to. The bottom of my sectional opens up like that, and it's a bunch of other stuff down there. But I decided to take it and put this in here and close my Mitch Met doors. And yeah, I had a mirror right here, but I moved it and put it in my room so that I could put my teddy bears. Yeah, that one, that little one over there that was a trinket from New York. My girlfriend got me my pool. My mother got me this Easter bunny. My girlfriend got me this. That's candy in that jar right there. My little old school candy. You know, little candy your grandmother would give to you in church to shut you up. I like those. And my mother actually got me that one up there too. So yeah, that's that. Like I said, I don't really have anything in the other one. My room, I really didn't put nothing in right now because, like I said, I still have to wash that whole basket of clothes, so it's nothing inside of there. Ooh, y'all see that? So a mess. But I am really tired. Got one more thing to put together, but I don't think I'm gonna put that together right now because I'm rearranging some stuff, and I ended up moving one of the tables I had in here. I ended up moving it out of my living room. I keep putting my hand in the camera. I ended up moving it out of my living room, so I don't think that I'm going to put that together right now. I'll probably put it together another time once I replace the table that goes in here. But yeah. Oh, I might make it up there. I might put it up there and make up there look different. Who knows? Or put it in my kitchen, because that's how I feel like it should be going at anyway, in my damn kitchen. But I'm extra, so I might do some extra. But yeah, I'm tired. Real tired, because I've been doing a lot. I done rearranged some stuff and did this and did that. Like, I'm tired. So I'm about to actually after I hop out the shower, got to wash my ass. So yeah, that's it for my little vlog for the day. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Leave y'all comments down below and let me know how y'all feel about this video. If y'all like my personal little vlogs, I will be doing more of them for y'all. Y'all just gotta tell me what y'all like, and I got you. Got you. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you know every single time me and my girlfriends post a video. And without further ado, I'm out.
It's just the vibe and that guy. There's no time. There's no, there's no, there's no, there's no, there's no, Nah, she gotta go. She came with her. Nah, she gotta go.